Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine two videos in CapCut PC. So first open your CapCut PC and import your videos you like to edit, and I'm going to select my video, for example. So you can add one video and more video as an overlay, just put on top another clip. So you can adjust for the duration in the same lane. Right. To combine video, you can add the mesh, select split, and can rotate and 90 degrees, and you can select for first video, and you can choose for position. And other video. Alright, that's it. It's so simple. That's how you can combine two videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.